Welcome to our user's perspective review of the OnePlus 15, the personalized, game-changing flagship. The OnePlus 15 promises to redefine the 2025 flagship experience. It combines raw power with refined aesthetics, aiming to be a quote for all users. We will analyze the specs and performance to see if it is the upgrade we've all been waiting for. The immersive visuals begin with a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display, offering a massive canvas with vibrant colors. The 165Hz refresh rate provides ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Advanced dimming technology also ensures visual comfort during late-night use. Unleashed power comes from the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Qualcomm's latest powerhouse. This processor ensures instantaneous app launches and console-level gaming performance. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, the device handles demanding tasks effortlessly. Endurance meets speed with a massive 7,300 mAh battery that can last up to 2 days. 120W wired SUPERVOOC charging goes from 0 to 100% in under 25 minutes. Plus, 50W wireless AIRVOOC technology offers fast, cable-free convenience. The triple 50 megapixels mastery provides a lens for every moment. It features a 50 megapixels main sensor for stunning detail, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens for landscapes, and a 50 megapixels periscope telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom. Oxygen OS 16 is smooth and personalized, built on Android 16. It offers a refined, burdenless experience with deep AI integration for personalization. The system adapts to usage patterns, making it fast, smooth, and intuitive. Users love that the OnePlus 15 is a performance king, praising its gaming and multitasking capabilities. The 7,300 mAh battery eliminates range anxiety, and the 165Hz display is described as buttery smooth and visually stunning. The 120W charging speed also changes daily habits. However, there are areas for improvement. Some users feel the camera consistency slightly lags behind rivals like the Pixel or iPhone, particularly in video. The new design has also divided fan opinion, and the 7,300 mAh battery contributes to substantial size and weight. In India, the OnePlus 15 starts at 72,999 rupees for the 12 GB plus 256 GB model. Note that prices may vary subject to offers and exchange bonuses. Here is a quick look at the specifications. It features the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED 165Hz display, a 7,300 mAh battery with 120W wired and 50W wireless charging, and triple 50 megapixels cameras. It runs on Oxygen OS 16, based on Android 16. The consensus verdict is that the OnePlus 15 is a near-perfect flagship. It sets a new benchmark for battery life and performance in 2025, according to tech experts and community consensus. Thank you for watching this video. These are the image sources used in the video.